Okay, so we've got a yellow feathered male, green. Let's take a look at this problem actually. So, yellow male crossed with a green female, and according to the information in the question, we get 2 yellow, 2 green offspring. Well, once again, we've got to highlight our alleles, parents, offspring. We might know both of those, none of those, but let's see what information's in the question. Then we'll do our Punnett square. Once we get that information, we can actually answer the question. I just want to set this up so I've got a little more space. There we go. Let's get underway. Get my marker going here. The alleles. Well, yellow male, green female. Yellow is dominant. Okay, so Y is going to be yellow. And lowercase y is going to be green. So we've got our alleles set up, our dominant and recessive. Let's see, we've got a yellow male. Well, that is either going to be capital Y, or could be capital Y, lowercase y, so we're not sure about that male, but we do know the green female. Recessive. So that's known for sure. What else do we know about the offspring? 2 of them are yellow. So 2 of them are either going to be heterozygous or homozygous, but I suspect it's going to be the heterozygous because then 2 of them are green. So it's a 50-50 between yellow and green. 50% yellow, 50% green. You know, based on that information, we are, again, definitely we've got a green female, so we do know that for sure. This male, though, must have a recessive allele in there to get this kind of a offspring. Let's plug it in. Let's start with that assumption. You know, worst case, you do a couple Punnett squares until you get the right question or right answer. But yeah, let's make this assumption. There's our parents. Let's plug them into our Punnett square. We'll put our male, our yellow male up here. It doesn't really matter where we put him, but we'll put him up there. He's going to be heterozygous yellow, and our green female. Let's see what happens. So, quickly lay this out. Well, looking like so far we're going to get a yellow and a green. Oh, in fact, this pattern repeats. Yellow, green. In fact, if you look at it, you didn't really need to do the second line. We do indeed get the result where we've got 50% of them, of the offspring, are yellow, and 50% are green. This is exactly what was observed. So based on this, we've got our answer. Let's go and take a look at that in a second here as I write this out. So our question was, what are the genotypes of the parents? Okay, well, so our parents, based on this, we do know them. We have a heterozygous male, yellow male. That's the male, and again, we definitely know the female, but based on our Punnett square, we also know the male here. There's our male, there's our female. Let's try to spell the word female correctly. Fantastic. And we want to know the offspring, the genotypes of the offspring. Well, we've got them here. 50% of those are going to be heterozygous. That's their genotype. The phenotype would be yellow, obviously. And 50% of them are going to be the recessive, the little y, that's going to be 50% green, but it just wanted the genotypes. So there we go. Another question solved. As we're going through these, just press pause anytime you need to, and also try to solve them before we show you how to solve them. Let's see what's next.